Hello and welcome to the SlideRocket tutorial. First and foremost, you'll need to sign up for an account. You're going to do that by going to this web address. That will get you a free pro account. When you type that in, you're going to get a screen that looks like this. You'll have a chance to sign up. You're going to need to use your WLC email in order to get this free pro account. So go ahead and pause this video, type that into your browser, and sign up. Now once you've signed up, you can go to SlideRocket.com to log in. You'll notice these text fields down here are just for signing up. What you actually want to do is go to the login up here, and then you can click login and enter the credentials that you just created. Now once you log in, your screen's going to look like this. It'll probably look completely empty since you don't have any presentations that you've created or imported yet. Now SlideRocket is its own editor and viewer for presentations online, but what it also allows you to do is import presentations that you've already created, and most of us have created presentations in PowerPoint. The way you bring that in is up here at the top. You're going to see an import option. When I click that, I can bring it in two ways, from a PowerPoint or if I have slides already in a PDF form. Now I've already done that with my example presentation here. When you import it, you're going to see that in your list. You're also going to see presentations that others have shared with you if you go to the all items. But what I'm going to show you is the editing interface now. So once I go into my presentation here, it brings up this screen. We'll get back to this screen in a little bit. But in order to change your presentation, you're going to need to click the Edit over here. So you can see I'm on my first slide. To add animation, I can do things over here. And it's a full editor with adding objects and changing font and all those things too. Where SlideRocket is the most useful and impactful, and the way we use it in many of our online courses, is to add audio voiceover to each of the slides. You can see on the left there's an audio option, so I'm going to choose that. Now if you were trying to record audio voiceover on a PowerPoint, you know that you have to basically do it start to finish with all the slides, and if you mess up, you have to do the whole thing over. SlideRocket, not so. SlideRocket does it per slide, so if I mess up, that's a wonderful thing. So once I've clicked audio, it brings up the slide that I'm on right now. You can see I click record. It counts me in. If this is the first time you're doing it on your computer, the flash settings are going to want you to click allow there. So I click start recording. It counts me in, and now I can add audio to this slide. Hello and welcome to my presentation, etc., etc., etc. So I hit stop. You're going to see it process it for a moment. I can even listen to it right now by clicking preview. It counts me in, and now I can add audio to this slide. You get the idea. If I don't like it, I click clear because I messed up. That gets rid of all of it for that slide, and I can try again. Hello and welcome to my presentation today. Today we're going to learn about making presentations. I click stop, and you can see that works there. Now if I want to add it to another slide, it's just the exact same process. Now I'm on slide 2, I hit record. If I don't like things, I can clear and all that. Okay. Now once I've added all my audio, and of course you can change all kinds of other things on each slide. I'm going to go back to my library just by clicking the SlideRocket up top there. And it's saved. Now what I can do is, unlike PowerPoints where we're emailing them to people, what I'm actually going to do is, for someone to watch this, what I want to do is share it with them. To share it with them, what I'm going to do is change my presentation to a public presentation so anyone can view it. And what I can do is get this public link. What I'm going to do is copy the link, and I can basically paste this into an email or a website or wherever else. If you want to get a little more technical, you can also embed it into a website by getting into the HTML, choosing your size, and embedding it there. That's how you'd share it with someone. If you want someone else to be able to work on it, you're going to go into this collaboration tab. And what I'm going to do is add people through here. So if I add them in this box down here, then they can edit it as well. Finally, one thing that many of you may find useful is the ability to download presentations. You're going to have to use this if you know you're going to a place that doesn't have internet or Wi-Fi readily available. You'll need it on your computer. You can see there are various ways to download it. I can basically make all the slides PDFs. That will make it lose any animation that I've added. You can see I downloaded it as a PowerPoint. And then they also offer some features that will run on a computer without having to download extra software. So that's the quick version of SlideRocket. Again, most powerful and most used in our online classes to do voiceover, audio, and then to edit your presentations right in there as well.